Embark on a journey of curiosity with us. What fascinating questions are we exploring today?
Microwaves heat leftovers faster and trap moisture, making them best for soups and vegetables. But they can heat unevenly and sometimes cause sogginess. Ovens take more time but give crispier results, ideal for pizza and fried foods. So for quick and moist reheating, use the microwave. For better texture and even heating, pick the oven.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.